Security force arrested 7 cadres of Kuki National Army, KNA, and recovered sophisticated weapons from them during a search operation. Police reported that a search operation was conducted at Old Kaukwal village under Sangaikot Police Station in Churachandpur district on February 14. During the operation, security force arrested Sekhogin Haukip, 37 years of age, Ngamlenmang Mate alias Mengnio, aged 25, Saikhomang Haukip alias Saimang, aged 25, Thanglemang Haukip alias Mangboy, aged 27, Zamkhosai Haukip alias Saipu, aged 32, Lunkholal Khongsai alias Lalboy, aged 34, and Mangkhangthang Kipgen alias Manang, aged 35. Security force also recovered 2 AK-47 rifles, 1 7.62 assault rifle, 3 single-bore rifle, 10 AK-47 magazines, 654 7.62 mm live rounds, 19 single-bore live cartridges, 6 cell phones, 3 Baofeng radio sets, 4 power banks, 1 battery dynamo, 1 Maruti Gypsy, along with other items. The arrested members and the weapons were handed over to Sangaikot Police Station.